Day 6 of the shift begins now. We've ignited the fire. We've forged unbreakable strength. We've learned to flow without resistance. We've transformed completely. We've mastered the present moment. Today, we use all of these elements to completely rejuvenate and restore every cell in your body. The neural pathways we've been activating for the past 5 days have prepared your body for what scientists call accelerated recovery, the ability to repair, rebuild, and recharge at rates far beyond normal human capacity. What happens in the next 10 minutes will create a cascade of regenerative processes that continue long after this meditation ends. Your body is not depleted. It's primed for a total system reboot. Right now, every cell in your body is about to receive a surge of raw regenerative power. This is not rest. This is a complete cellular revolution. As you breathe, you're activating your body's ATP production, the pure energy currency of every cell. Your mitochondria, the power plants in every muscle fiber, are firing up, converting oxygen into raw, usable strength. This isn't passive recovery. This is aggressive regeneration. Now we return to the powerful 4-7-8 breath pattern we used for transformation, but with a new intention, complete systemic renewal. This is the recharge breath, precise, intentional, and restorative. Inhale sharply through your nose for 4 counts, drawing in not just air, but pure performance fuel. Hold for 7 counts. Feel the oxygen saturating your bloodstream, flooding every energy-depleted zone. Exhale forcefully through your mouth for 8 counts, purging weakness, fatigue, and limitation. This breath pattern triggers what scientists call parasympathetic dominance. But this isn't about relaxation. It's about directing all of your body's resources toward repair, regeneration, and optimization. With each extended exhale, you're flooding your system with recovery hormones that accelerate healing at the cellular level. Again, inhale for 4. Feel the oxygen molecules binding to your hemoglobin, creating a surge of nutrient-rich blood flow to every depleted tissue. Hold for 7, pressure building, saturating each cell with regenerative potential. Exhale for 8, releasing metabolic waste, cortisol, and anything that dulls your edge. Right now, your entire system is rewiring. Feel how different this is from the previous days of the shift. The fire we ignited, the strength we built, the flow we unleashed, the transformation we catalyzed, the presence we mastered, all of these elements now combine into perfect regeneration. This isn't about shutting down, it's about powering up. Feel the heat building at the base of your spine, a reservoir of raw energy collecting. Your shoulder blades release and reset into optimal alignment. Your jaw unclenches as neural pathways clear for peak communication between mind and muscle. Feel your muscles not just relaxing but actively reconstructing, protein synthesis accelerating, micro tears healing stronger than before, your nervous system rewiring for peak performance. Your energy reserves filling not to normal, but to maximum capacity. This isn't recovery. This is a complete performance upgrade. Continue the recharge breath pattern. Inhale for 4, sharp, intentional, alive. Hold for 7, letting the pressure build into every cell. Exhale for 8, directed, controlled, purposeful. You are not recovering. You are powerfully reprogramming. You are not healing. You are upgrading. Every second in this state multiplies your capacity, your output, your edge. With each breath cycle, you're triggering your parasympathetic nervous system, not to shut down, but to optimize. Every exhale releases a cascade of recovery hormones, flooding your tissues with resources for rapid reconstruction. Breathe again. Pull in raw restoration. Hold it. Let it flow to every depleted zone. Exhale and feel the system reboot. You are exactly where you need to be on day 6 of the shift. The complete rejuvenation you're experiencing right now is preparing you for tomorrow's final integration, where we'll amplify everything through the power of community and collective energy. But today is about complete restoration of your individual power. Every second here brings you back stronger. Every breath systematically rebuilds you. Your brain fog cleared, your muscle tension released and reset, your energy reserves not just refilled, amplified beyond normal capacity. You are not just resting, you are strategically resetting. You are not just recovering, you are rising to your next level. One final recharge breath to seal this transformation. Inhale for 4, collecting all your rebuilt power. Hold for 7, letting it lock into every cell. Exhale for 8, establishing your complete upgrade. This recharge state demands expression. Follow us on Instagram at hot_asana to transform this energy into physical dominance. The heat of our studio will accelerate this rejuvenation process, taking your recovery to extraordinary levels. The shift continues tomorrow with our final integration, but you are already completely renewed.